This is the pond at Belize Botanic Gardens when it was healthy and several years after it was dug. As you can see, there was a lot of life in the pond. Lily pads, grasses, whistling ducks came to nest, and many other birds lived in and around the pond, as well as fish. This is a typical erosion area. You can see how the water drains down the hill behind into this ditch and then into the pond. And as you can see here, it comes from a lot of areas and goes a long way before it gets to the pond. And this has caused the pond to silt up over the years to where it supports almost no life at all. These banana trees are dying because of standing water and flooding. This is an area where we want to build a big pond to catch water before it gets into the pond. A pond that we can control, so that when the water does go into the other pond, it's cleaned up. There will also be a silt catching small pond to catch the silt before it gets into the pond, which will have plants to purify the water before it goes in, and then hopefully this pond, as it looks today, can be restored to where it was in the beginning, in the first pictures. This is how it looks now, and this is pretty much how it looks all the time, even though this is after a rain. And then coming up, we'll see at the far end of the pond, there's a spillway where the water floods over the spillway and down a severely eroded area right into the McCall River.